you being a seasoned product manager with 10 years of experience, the most enticing part for me as an aspiring product manager or a beginner product manager is your mental models and the frameworks you keep, especially while devising, or let's say devising AI features onto your platform. So can you
Mm.
share any three mental models or frameworks which, beginners like us or aspiring product managers can learn from?
See, usually all these jargons and frameworks, mental models, I'm not a big fan of it, to be
Okay.
really frank, because giving that name, this is a framework we should follow. This is
Yeah.
invented by so and so, and you have to choose something which will give you more output for the input. Like even most of our Indian businessmen know right, wherever they get more profit, right,
Hmm.
they're gonna invest there, right? Like any investment in mutual funds or in a stocks, whichever gives you better return in the shortest amount of time, you're going to do that, right? So
Hmm.
output has to be high, input. So that is what rice matrix is, right? And it doesn't vary between an AI feature and non-AI feature. The
Huh.
framework or approach still remains the same, if you ask me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, first start with the why. I mean, why
Hmm.
do you want to implement this feature? Okay,
Hmm.
usually there is a goal, right? There is a product goal that you want to achieve. Like
Yeah.
I'm giving an example, like 1 million users per day, I want to increase by so and so. Okay, so there could be multiple hypotheses or product features you want to build, right?
Hmm.
How do you narrow down on that? What makes the most sense out of it? If you ask me, output to input, in a simple way, that is where I would start. And why do I want to do, right? And which feature I should choose
Hmm.
basis the output to input ratio. AI can do a lot of things. Now even 25% of the coding in Google is done by AI.
Right.
They kind of overestimate the AI in certain areas and underestimate in an area where they should use it. So understanding the use case and the limitations is critical, very, very important.
Hmm.
Don't dive in with a first approach. I won't say what is the pain point you're trying to solve. Start with that and check whether AI can solve it or not. So I think people should take a step back and
Hmm.
look at it from an use case point of view. That is what, because ultimately, if you look at any users of any product,
Hmm.
if you ask me, basis my interaction with users from different domains, I've been a PM for 5+ years, and no
Hmm.
one has said, give me AI use case. People will always
Hmm.
say, this is my problem, you solve it for
Hmm.
me, I don't care how you solve it,
Hmm.
right? If AI can solve it, great.